Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to install a PyTorch on Windows operating system. To install the latest PyTorch at the time of making this video, you need to have Python version 3.9 or later version, and also pip3 for the installing the framework, or you can use Conda as well if you have Anaconda in your system. Now for those who have old version of PyTorch in your system, you may need to have a clean environment first to avoid conflicts with your existing installs. So you can install it in a new virtual environment instead of installing it system-wide. Now first we are going to install Python, so open your browser and search for Python. But if you have already installed Python in your system, please feel free to jump into the PyTorch installation section. Now under the Downloads tab, you can choose your operating system. As you can see, the latest version at the time of making this video is 3.13.2. So download the file and save it in your machine. My download task is done, so I'm gonna double click the installer to start the setup configuration process. You can select this add Python to the path so that you will be able to run Python from any working directory in your system using command line window. From the optional features section, you can uncheck the documentation box and click Next. Under the advanced options, select Python for all users, and you can leave everything as is. You can also change the location of the installation file path by clicking the Browse tab from here. Now click Install to start the installation process. Also, make sure to grant access to the app if it asks you permission to install the program. As you can see, the installation has been successfully finished in my system. To check if Python has been installed correctly in your system, open your CMD window and run python -- version. You can do the same thing for pip as well. Next, to install PyTorch, open a new browser and search for PyTorch. From here, we are going to install PyTorch using the stable version. So select Stable tab. You can also select your operating system. It should select it automatically, but if not, you need to select it manually. Select your package type, pip or Conda, language Python. Now in the compute platform section, if you have NVIDIA GPU, you can choose CUDA. But first, you need to download and install CUDA toolkit from NVIDIA website, and when you choose CUDA version, keep in mind that CUDA version matches with one of these CUDA versions. Otherwise, you may get error when you try to run any Torch program later. I'm gonna choose CPU since I don't have NVIDIA hardware. Now we are almost there. We just need to copy this code and run it on the command line window. As you can see, my installation has been done successfully. To verify if Torch has been installed or not, you can import Torch from Python program. Since I'm using the command line window, I'm going to activate Python first, then import Torch. You can also print out the version of the PyTorch that you have installed using the print function. Thank you for watching.